Right, Paranoid Android chords, how I hear them. C minor, C minor 7. D, da, B flat, C minor 7 over B flat in the bass. F7, 9. G minor 7. E minor 7 flat 5. E minor 7 flat 5. So C minor. But the bass is doing something. The bass with the guitar and the bass together, so you get. Okay. And G minor, next part. I got an F6 there. And then E7. E7. G minor. Ooh, what's that? And that repeats round. So you end up with C minor. Oh, sorry. La, da, 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 So I got that. So I got E7 without the third in it. Dropping the B flat A down to the G, the minor third of the E minor. Nice. And that's the first section of it. And then you get this whole business. Which is like A minor, to A flat major, A minor, A major, and then you get this 7/4, C, C, A flat, B flat, C, all majors, A flat, B flat. Then back into 4/4. The ugly. Does that, and then it comes out of that into the lovely bit at the end, the chord progression. C minor, G over B, G over B, B flat, A, da da da, D minor, A, then D, la, D minor over C, la, B flat, la da da da, A minor, la, G minor, la da da, F major, la. minor over C, B flat, da da da, A minor, boom, da da da, and then back to that. Right, well that's how I see it anyway, and hear it. But check the record out, and those chords should help. Over and out.